I am High Chief Mike Oshaloni, the Olochi of Ado-Ekiti, a member of a Wing Council proper.
Okay, what is your position on the press conference today?
I'm the head of the family of Afe Babalola, his root and foundation, the Olochi family. I'm the High Chief there.
So what is the position of the family?
The position of the family is that Chief Afe Babalola, the Farotimi, wants to blackmail. He has blackmailed him. He has defamed his character assassination, and he has bastardized everything that stands on the name of Chief Afe Babalola, and we want to resist it. We want to let him know that whether he did it on his own or it's being sponsored, we want him to know that yes, we are ready to confront the thing head to head.
Okay, this protest as well.
Well, Farotimi and people like Femi Falana and others, they are professional protesters. For little things, they want to turn the whole world upside down. You see, it is only a bastard that used a left hand to describe the house of his father. There's no way we don't, they protest, after all, they protested against the president of this country. Let them go on. But for them to come to Ado or Ekiti to say they want to protest, we are waiting for them. Honestly speaking, unless the police stops them, we'll tell them that this is the root and foundation of Afe Babalola. I will tell them they cannot operate. Bet me, they can't do it. If they do it, they will suffer for it. They will know that they don't have the monopoly of violence alone. They don't. Freedom of speech is not absolute. I think you agree with that. For whatever you say, you must be expecting consequences for it. So either he's doing it willingly or being sponsored. Anybody or whoever is involved, they are going to regret this action. I'm just coming from the Federal High Court. I accuse the lawyer that came to my dear brothers. Go to carpenters, the bricklayers, the same thing they do. I cannot imagine lawyers coming to support Farotimi in the name I'm doing my job, destroying somebody who is a very senior member of your association without waiting to know the basic truth of this matter is very appalling, very, 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 very disgraceful.